Me go and drive it up. All taxi pom pom. My mother used to associate herself with the Portmore Empire, the Gaza camp.
Welcome, burritos. All right. My name now do more dancing. Welcome to the Friday social media countdown. Oh God. Yes, guys, welcome to this edition of the social media countdown. Now today we have 5 topics, and I hope you enjoy it. But come and make sure we put some hilarious ones in there. So if you're watching right now, make sure you hit the like button, turn on the post notification, all of that. Just leave a comment, everything. Share the video right now. Let's get into today's countdown.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things that going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Alright, burritos, so before I jump into the official countdown, let me just go mention that the Vybz Kartel concert is definitely happening, and it is slated for December 31st. That is New Year's Eve going into New Year's Day. No, this deal is being pushed as the biggest signing for any artist to be performing in Jamaica. I do not know what that cost is, but in these pictures, you see Vybz Kartel sitting down with the Downtown Records boss, Joe Bogdanovich. So, so this are probably bigger than whatever booking fee would have been charged for any performer on the staging of the Reggae Sumfest stage, and Sting, and boy, oh boy, I am just like, no man, people are going to book out the whole of this summer. Even this summer, people are going to book out, every single hotel we're in a Kingston and St. Andrew area. Like, all I know is that the airports are going to ram, because all of the Gaza fans will be coming from all over the world. And so, burritos, let me know down below. Them no put out how much them officially pay Kartel, and we don't know how much for the cost or which venue, where is it going to be. Let me know how much you think going to be the cost for the general tickets, because, I'm going to start with general. How much you think, where do you think that this concert will be held, and who do you think will be some of the featured acts on the lineup? And now the next question is, who the Backseat going to host this? Who is going to host a show like this? Sound off below, burritos, let me know. Number 5, Nasty Tom Bull. Me drop down. Okay, burritos now. So I saw this video on Twitter with this young man who I guess went to a blue hole. It looked like blue hole where you're supposed to up your summer, if you ever call it one like a cliff, and then you drop down. And usually, you have on your life vest, your life jacket, if you don't know how to swim. And if you're comfortable jumping into them type of deep waters there and you can swim, all will be fine. Well, it look like so the beauty here did that try to make the jump, but decided to last minute shatter the brakes, then pan him foot, and it just, it's watch.
2, 3, go. Brother, I'm here telling you, man, brother.
You know what? I'm not even supposed to laugh after the youth like this, because I am no better. This brother, me know it feel like, you're up on the ledge and you tell yourself, so them are going to jump. Say you're going to jump. And you see the youth, them are always around you, them always boots you up, because them are going to lean into the what you call it, the testosterone, the macho thing. Them are going to say, yeah man, youth, you can do it, this easy. And you don't want to take the bait. So you're going to convince yourself, say, you know how to jump off, and you don't have no insecurities, you don't have no fear at all. And look at that, radam. Just like that, I hear the man in the background, like us bad word now, and say, Lord God, I hate that him don't know.
Brother, I'm here telling you, man, brother.
So, you hear what I'm going to know? I'm actually going to show you a video of myself, man. When I did go blue hole one time, and I tried to jump off, and yeah, man, it took me about 16 business days before I decided to actually go make the plunge. Understand? This is how it went. Take a look.
I'm going to face you guys when I'm jumping, so y'all better catch me.
Burritos, man, big enough. Please do not laugh at me. I was nervous, but the lesson is, at the end of the day, I did it. So, round of applause to myself, yeah. That's how it goes. Burritos, let me know, are you scared to do activities like this? Sound off in the comments. Number 4, be their boss. Me cake. All right, now, so this video I saw on Instagram, and it showed the gentler, nicer, fun, giving side of Jamaican employees. Now, let me go tell you this. The people, them look like so them have an Asian boss, and the boss did celebrate their birthday. And to have staff like this that love you so much that them to go out of them way to give you such a treat, oh God, it speaks volumes. Take a look. Man, that is it. And that is how you know, say, yo, the brother here entreat the people, them good. Come here, I tell you, Jamaican people, and normally, especially Jamaican employees, them not go out of them ways of the people, you know, especially them boss. The boss and the people, them who them cuss off in the WhatsApp group. So the fact that they felt so moved to give an act of kindness like this, it says that the people, them treat them good. And then worse, them are, and you know how Jamaica and the you know how the little relationship that sometimes can vary. So the fact say, you know, yeah man, it says a lot. So let me just say big up to the boss and the employees. This is the type of vibration I love to see more of in Jamaica. Yeah man, out of many one people. Number 3, Nhance versus Popo. Our burritos know so rising dancehall artist by the name of Nhance was recently accosted by the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Yeah man, so apparently they were doing some routine checks and they end up stumbling up on the dancehall entertainer. So if you don't know who Nhance is, you know, him and the son of Gaza artist Sheba, yeah man, a Sheba baby, and people out in the streets have it to say, this is Sheba's and Vybz Kartel's love child. Yeah man, it was on a recent interview on stage with Winford Williams when Winford did bring up the matter. Take a listen.
I must ask you before you go. Kartel is now freed.
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you feel about that?
Well, I feel good about that. Because, you know, he's a legend of the music where I take part in right now, which is dancehall music. So me feel good to see the king of dancehall.
Yes.
He's now a free man.
But yes, but in terms of this, people think that you're his son.
Yeah.
What have you done with that? How does that? Is that still lingering or what?
It still linger because it's still there all over my comment section them and in my DM as well. But my mother used to associate herself with the Portmore Empire, the Gaza camp. People are going to put it for them way. And the youth talented, which is me. I am the youth.
Yes.
So more than likely people are going to put it away there and say, you know? But nothing wrong still. Nothing wrong.
Well, how does your real father, the one who is your father, so let me not get that all the people in business too deep.
Yeah.
The one whose name you have taken on as father.
Yeah.
How does he feel about all this?
I don't think he really feel the way. He knows, say, hey, I'm a father.
Yes.
Yeah, so.
Cool.
Yeah, man.
He's not worried by all of this rumor.
No, he can't worry. We can't. Nobody can stop rumor.
Okay, so him say something, but not really say something. So me I wonder if maybe him is actually. Me don't know. Maybe I want to cartel pin them. We don't know. Just call him as that because he have the talent as well. So anyway, so I saw this video now making the rounds where the police accosted the dancehall entertainer, and it looked like things that are going in his favor.
Yo, April, call bone. I know them are so get pull over from Crossroad, brother. I know them that turn on the light and say pull over, no, brother. DJ, just relax, call bone. Just relax with them thing, cause them wrong your fuck. Yes, you all know I smoke, them a smoke, and them under them weed and them rum, brother.
We never start videoing him from that. So when them a bring him come?
Yo, me a come.
Bring him come. Which station? We need.
Now it begs the question. Nhance has been around for a while. I hear him and getting no problem with none of the members in the police force, no JDF, even in no bangarang. Why is it that as Kartel come out of jail and people start to have the conversation to say him is Kartel spitting, all of a sudden now him just end up in them bangarang? Yeah, what is going on? Because this is where my brain wants to come and wonder and me I pre everything knowing and me I say, very contrary, something in something. I don't know Berrydos, but let's just wait and see, because I'm sure we're going to have some more updates as the weeks come. But let me know, do you think that the artist was unfairly treated? Sound off below.
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
Because the friend is gonna be like a land with me, you know?
No, but you don't need to cheat on a girl with a friend, Nigy. You're going to find a next girl somewhere and do your thing, but don't ask me for my friend. You're outside and bright.
Anything I heard, when no, I don't know I'm doing. My friend, give me.
No, you see them stuff you don't want to really put up with them things from Nigy? Want to really influence him, you know? Are you influencing in a skip? Are you know? Now look.
Nah, you know what going on there.
Are you influence, Nigy? Yes.
Nah, me. Sure.
Number 2, basket surprise. All right, now, some Berrydos, I saw this video and I'm like, I'm sure this is not how it was supposed to play out. So, you know, everybody have them different love language and people do different things to kind of show the people that they care about that they are very much invested in them. So this man decided to, while at a, what do you call this, a hotel or some place of relaxation, decided to send one of the workers there to present his budunus, him woman, with a lovely basket as well as to serenade her. Take a look.
What? I must say, she really appreciates you. You. You.
Me.
Love you. She needs to love you.
she appreciates when he wanted to make you smile. I mean, they can't talk about.
Yeah, man, so the serenading and going and all kind of things, but my woman, she never look too impressed right there. So I never know if she don't like the man singing or she knows that she and the man have argument and she's still not in at the man. And so she probably wonder why this brother come and do them look nice something here. If you think me gonna make the little something you frighten me, for me come back in your life, you have a next thing going. Because yeah, my girl never look impressed. None at all. We could continue watch.
They getting good? Huh? Yeah. I'm only one call away, and I'll be there to save the day. Girl, Superman got nothing on me. He's only one call away. Calling baby when you need a friend. He just wanna give you love. Come on, come on, come on. Girl, he will be with you till the end.
Nah, man. That is wild. That is completely wild. So, not only did the man move from the song, he went into singing, was it a Kartel song? I thought about, you have the ever blessed boom, 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 boom. Like you just transition and thing, but you have the ever blessed zoom, zoom and all kind of something like that. But your body and your shape and no other girl. Come on, man. And the girl was still not impressed.
A friend, he just wanna give you love.
Oh, Lord. This was just tragic, but I don't know, maybe a social stage she just awkward when a lot of people give her attention. But what got a lot of people talking outside of what they were supposed to be focusing on, they were talking about the woman foot. And I'm not even going to go into that now because, yeah, man, the comments them were focusing on the presentation of all of that. And I'm like, boy, you see certain things, you have to just load out social media. Because look how the brother try to do something nice for him, woman, and now him basically make the whole of social media roast her. Oh, Lord. Burritos, let me know. Do you like surprises like this, or you would have been given the same reaction, which is nothing? Sound off below. And number one goes to Jerry Driving. Woo! 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 My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Jerry's Driving. Now, Burritos, I don't know if you know about this social media personality by the name of Jerry, who is always, on TikTok with a whole heap of viral, videos with him interacting with his bestie. Right? And so this time now, he was given an opportunity to learn how to drive, to get some driving lessons when things took a turn, pun intended. Take a look.
Stop.
Jerry, enough of that gas shop.
Half a gas pump.
Alright,
let's
go, stop it. Stop. Well, Jerry, go too far.
So Jerry, you trying to come up with the brake car completely, you forget it for moving now.
Yo, you can't make it rub like you can just be the gate to brake, make it be run. You see it and steer.
Right, the brake sharp now.
If you see I go now,
half a gas pump. Half a gas.
Come now.
We're on the brake sharp, man.
Come now.
Half a brake.
Half a brake, yeah. No, press the gas. Yeah. Come on, see me.
The brake sharp, man.
Come on.
Half a brake.
You know what? I am not even going to laugh at Jared because why? If you see me in these streets, me not different at all. When it come on to driving, I am not a driver. I drive, but me and one driver. Just like how the people them did say, Marcus Garvey did say, and everybody can dance, but not everybody a dancer. That is exactly how it goes. Huh? What? Now Marcus Garvey says everybody can dance, but not everybody a dancer. Alexa. Wasn't it Marcus Garvey that said everybody can dance, but not everybody a dancer?
Yes, that is correct. Marcus Garvey indeed said everybody can dance, but not everybody can dance like they should.
Thank you. So I tell you, See what me tell you, man. I tell you these things. Me tell you, you know, me tell you, I know my stuff, okay? Don't question my facts. Anyway, so, yeah, me can't really know too much pan Jerry right now, because me not really a driver. If you see me on these streets, just run. Just run for cover. All right? So, Burritos, let me know what you thought of this. I can't believe Alexa side with me. Oh, God. Well, that's it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another social media countdown. Make sure to say you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. Yeah, man. Tell a friend to make the Dutty Berry Show channel your home. All right? Once you have done so, follow me on all my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, all over at TheDuttyBerryShow. And if you want to advertise within the countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time. Ta-ta!
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.